In this video, I will be reviewing the Colour Wow Extra Strength Dream Coat product. So this is the tools that I use to do my blowout, because they say you really need some good products. Let me know if you want a review on this kit and I'll show you that. But the main review will be on the Colour Wow Dream Coat. So the instructions say to spray your hair liberally and then blow dry it in. That's what really sets the product in and helps you get a nice straight hair that's meant to last. So here you can see me really saturating this part of my hair all together in this hairstyle. I think I used about half, probably about a quarter of the bottle actually. I wanted to give it a fair chance. I didn't use any other products in my hair in order to give it a fair chance. You can just see me blow drying it, making sure that it's really set into my hair. Yeah, I won't give away the ending of this, but I really did try to follow all the instructions. I've used the Colour Wow Dream Coat, the normal one, previously, and it did not work for my hair. So I thought, okay, let me buy it again and give it another go and use the extra strength. And here you can just see this took me ages because I did it section by section and really just tried to get it in as good as possible. I did end up changing to my other blow dryer because it was a lot hotter and I really wanted to make sure that it was in properly. So this is my hair just after I straightened it. I wasn't too happy as it didn't straighten too well. This is me the next day on my holiday. I really wanted to test out the product, so I tested it in heat. So I was outside. Here you can see me on the beach, really in the sun, and this is how it was a couple hours later. As you can see, it did not work for my hair. I was very disappointed after reading so many good reviews on it, but for some reason this product just absolutely does not work for my hair. So yeah, if you have hair like mine, I wouldn't recommend it.